To install the web.push application on Nextcloud, access your server with an administration account. Then, on the top right, click on your profile picture and choose the Apps section. Now, on the menu on the left, choose the Tools category and search for the DAVx application. Click Download and Enable and wait for the process to complete. That's all that is required on the Nextcloud side. To configure DAVx⁵ to work with DAVpush, first of all, open the app settings and choose a unified push distributor. In this case, we are going to select FCM, which is built into the app by default. Now, if you don't have any account added yet, it's the moment to do so. Add a new account for Nextcloud, introduce your server, log in, and authorize DAVx⁵. Complete the configuration process and you will see your collections listed. Select one of them and push will already be advertised by the server and detected by the app. Enable the collection for synchronization and run it once. Everything should be ready for you. If you already have an account added, before installing the app on Nextcloud, you will notice that push is obviously not advertised. After installing, refresh the collections list and push support will automatically be detected. And that's all. You will already be receiving updates almost instantly on your device. To showcase how it works, we've set up a small demonstration. As you can see, we have the Nextcloud calendar web interface and an Android device with Ether, a calendar application ready. You can see that whenever we add a new event to the calendar, the device receives the update almost instantly. The same happens when we delete the event. Thank you for trying web.push support on Nextcloud early, and keep us updated if any issue occurs. The official repositories are shown on the screen and linked on the description of this video. Thank you for watching.